Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia Nashivule. In today's video, we are going to learn how to crochet rose flower bouquet, perfect for any celebration. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Materials I'm going to use this yarn. It is cotton yarn. I'm going to use green, red, and this off-white. I'm going to use roll tape. I'm going to use these sticks for holding the flowers and these flower papers. Hook I'm going to use till 3.5 mm. Let us start with this green color. I start with a slip knot. For foundation chain, we are going to start with 66 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 65, 66. On the third chain from the hook, we are going to start with double crochet. Double crochet yarn over half the loops on the hook into the chain. From the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to press the hook and pull the yarn half the loops on the hook to pull through the first 2 loops and again the remaining 2 loops. That is double crochet. We are going to crochet double crochet all over the chain. This is the last double crochet. I'm going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn and we pull it through. We are going to chain the yarn. I am going to attach here the thread. We are going to chain 3 and turn our work. In this same space, we are going to continue with other 2 double crochets. We are going to chain 2, 1, 2. We are going to skip 2 stitch it. In the third chain, we are going to make 3 double crochet in one space. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches in the third chain, in the third stitch, 3 double crochets in one stitch. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochets. And this is going to be our pattern for this row. Chain 2. This is the last cluster. We are going to chain 1 and turn our work. We are going to start with single crochet. In this chain 2 space, we are going to crochet 3 double crochets. That's 2, 3, chain 3, again the same space, 3 double crochet. 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same space. And for this row, this is going to be our pattern. In this chain 2 space, we are going to crochet 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. This is the elastic rest. 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same space. We are going to slip stitch here, chain 3 space, and complete this round. We are going to chain 1 and turn our work like this. We are going to start with single crochet. We have 2 triangles, this one which is inverted, the chain 3 space, and this one. In this chain 3 space, we are going to crochet 10 double crochets here in this space. Here, single crochet. In the chain 3 space, for first 6 chain 3 space, we are going to crochet 10 double crochets. Then I'll show you when we finish the first 6 spaces. 10 double crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this space, we are going to crochet single crochet here. In this chain 3 space, 10 double crochets. And then with 6 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we are going to crochet 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 2, 1, 2, in the same space, 6 more double crochets. 2, 3, 5, 6. Single crochet. Then we'll continue. This is the elastic pattern. Slip stitch here and this single crochet. and chain 1 and cut off the end. Flower is finished. Next we are going to attach it to the stick. Using this glue. We are going to fold it starting from this side. This is the front, this is the back. We are going to use the back. And we start folding. Like this, slowly by slowly. Next we are going to put them together. We are going to start with this red, followed by this off-white, like this. Red to be in the middle. That's first use sellotape to tie it. Then we continue with the other. We are going to add in this. Paper like this. I'm going to use sellotape. Next we are going to make the bow for our flower. We are going to tie, fold it like this.